My trading 212 for 2020 yield is 56%. Yes, I've done really well on my own personal performance, and I would like to share what I've done, the lessons learned, and what's the way forward. And in the end, I'm going to put my pie public so you guys can look and perhaps copy if you want to. Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. My name is Alex Ko. I started trading 212 account back in April. So far, I have yield about 56%. It's been a really good year despite COVID-19. I came in at the right time and capitalized, and a couple of strategies I would like to share, and also share with you what is in the portfolio in detail. And before I begin, this video is not sponsored or I've got no affiliation with trading 212. This is on my own personal account and on my own personal success. So for the trading 212 account, I started back in April. Okay, I invested up to today in December before Christmas about £11,816. That's how much I was able to save and put it into this investment account on this ISA year. And my yield just now is 18,610 and 97 pence, round about there. Yield is about 55.7%. So it's done really well. So with 56%, am I proud? Yes, I think I did fairly well for 8 months. But what's even better, on my FU portfolio, which I'm even more proud on the same time when I've captured this, my FU portfolio for 2020 has gone to 103.36%, as you can see on the chart here. And CAGR overall, my FU portfolio is up 324%. But I will cover that FU portfolio in a different video at a later, before the end of the year. So what's in my pie? What is currently in my investment ISA account? 5 stocks in there. Okay, the top stock from the top is Tesla. I own Tesla, 13.5 shares, an average of $420 a share. So that's up 35%, my biggest holding. And the second one is Fiverr, 36 Fiverr share of average $162, 32% up. PayPal, an average of 16 of them, 187 average at 15%, followed by Baba Airbnb. So Baba is down a bit, lost just now, but it's 11% holdings. And finally, Airbnb. I managed to buy on the low, $126 per share when it was on the dip. It was just my lucky day. I had cash on the side, and it's only holding 5%. And I should have bought more, but I did run out of cash already. But it's good. So it's doing really well. And if you notice, so I use the rule of 75. You can check out the video up here. My rule of 75 is basically a concentrated portfolio where at least 3 of your stocks needs to exceed 75%. That's the only way you can gain yield like this. I've seen YouTubers sharing their trading 212 portfolio, and guess what? They've got like 20, 30, 40 stocks, and every stock holds like 5 to 2%. What is the absolute point? There's no point if you hold a single stock, it shoots up 5 times, but you only hold 2 or 3%. Okay, now I want to share my 3 lessons I've learned in 2020, which I need to carry over to 2021, which I'll share with everyone. So the first lesson is my key goal is always focus not on the yield. I didn't focus on the yield at all. I was just focusing on, but the one key thing that I am focusing the number is my savings. I've only managed to save £11,816 up till before Christmas. Why did I not maximize out sooner? Then sit back and I think to myself, I need to hustle, I need to work harder, I need to save more. And then sometimes I need to give myself a bit of credit. It's not just my own ISA that I'm saving. I've got my 2 kids, junior ISA I'm saving for, my wife's ISA I'm saving for, my eToro account that I have, my cryptocurrency account that I'm saving up for as well, and also my personal savings and emergency funds that I'm setting aside. It's very hard to save, but I need to work harder, I need to hustle better, I need to work even harder, get more jobs so I can get more income to save a maximum amount. We live in the UK, and the ISA is really a blessing for tax-free investment that nowhere in the world is giving you. ISA is basically you invest money in. If you invest £20,000 in a stock for a single year, and if you make $1 million, everything is tax-free. Point number 2 that I want to share is a concentrated pie with rule of 75. I've shared the video, I mentioned it early on. I've tried different experiments start of the year. I tried to swing, I tried to buy too many stocks. At one point, this account had 25 stocks. Honestly, it's only I started going back quality companies with good concentrated portfolio, rule of 75. It's really easy to follow. So if anything goes wrong, I only have to look at this 5, 6 or the key 3 stocks that I need. If on a bad day when it falls, I only need to just start topping up. I'm not focused on the selling because I want to buy good quality companies with large amount of volume. So rule of 75, I highly recommend it. For the third list, that I want to share is because it's a free, commission-free account, because you don't have to pay for any fees. Don't be afraid to take risk. Okay, for me, I take risk up to 10 to 15%, but rule of thumb is 10% maximum risk I will take. Don't be afraid to swing. Don't be afraid to buy SPAC stocks and try to buy low and sell high. If you do make mistake, just cut it off and then try again. But that's the risk that you can afford to lose 100% of the amount. Never be afraid to take risks. So I've taken a couple of high risk like cruises in the early days, airlines, made the money, made the yield, leave. Wait for the right opportunity and go back in again. So I've been swing trading with a little small amount, and so far I've used my swing trade money that I've gained since election and bought into A, B, and B with a spare amount of cash. That's what helps you push your yield a bit higher, but still you have to focus on your staple stocks and a little bit of risk at the end. Okay, and now finally, I have tried this new public Pi or copy Pi that can be shared in the app. So I've called my Pi the rule of 75. You can see the screenshot here, and my name on Trading 212 is Family Investment. So you can find me, you can check it out, see if you like it. But this are my concentrated 5. So if I do change, I'll update, and the link will be on the description below. So this is me on Trading 212 update final of 2020. Please leave a comment below, and the special prize is anybody who leaves the best comment for me to pin in the next 20 to 48 hours, you have access to leave your Trading 212 referral link so that you can get a free share and another viewer get a free share as well. So my favorite comment down below, favorite constructive comment down below please, and I will make sure that I'll pin it and you can share your referral link with all the other viewers on this video. So take care, hope to see you soon. And
alright, before I say goodbye, please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and if you want, support me on Patreon as well, so I can produce content like this every single day for you guys, to give you guys value. So please do share, please share this video to help us grow our YouTube channel, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, bye bye.